deep in the heart of a green, untouched jungle, where birds sang melodies and rivers danced under the sunlight, lived a little girl named Ayla with her parents, Zara and Rahim. Their home wasn't made of bricks or concrete, but of wood, bamboo, and the warmth of their hearts. Every morning, Ayla woke up to the sweet songs of parrots and the gentle touch of sunlight streaming through the leaves. Her mother, Zara, would sing her a lullaby even in daylight, just because Ayla loved it. Her father, Rahim, strong yet gentle, would lift her onto his shoulders and walk with her along the winding jungle paths, showing her the flowers that bloomed like little rainbows and the animals that wandered freely. The three of them lived not just in the jungle, but with the jungle. They cared for every tree, every bird, and every stream, as if it were part of their family, and the jungle loved them back. It gave them fruits sweeter than honey, water clearer than crystal, and peace deeper than any palace walls. Their love for one another was the secret to their happiness. Rahim's eyes always lit up when he looked at Zara. He often told her, "You are the queen of my jungle, and Ayla is our little princess." Zara would smile, her heart overflowing, and Ayla would clap her tiny hands, shouting, "And we are the happiest family in the world." Evenings were the most magical. The three of them would sit by the fire. Rahim would tell stories of stars and dreams. Zara would sing in her soft, romantic voice, and Ayla would fall asleep between them, wrapped in warmth and love. Life seemed perfect. Every moment was painted with happiness. Every day began with laughter, and every night ended with love. The jungle wasn't just their home. It was their paradise of love and togetherness. And though life always carries challenges, their hearts knew one truth. As long as they had each other, they could face anything. For true love, whether between parents, children, or partners, creates a world more beautiful than any fairy tale.